Hello, Gordon. Can you please introduce yourself a little bit?
Hi, my name is Gordon Lokenberg. I'm an interim recruitment specialist. I'm from Holland, and currently I'm in Brussels meeting Octavio here for a meeting about social networking and how to do it the proper way.
Great. By the way, how did we met?
Well, we met each other via a social networking thing. The conference Think Tomorrow, which was 2 weeks ago, I believe, in Brussels as well.
Mm-hmm. And by that event, I introduced the idea of business networks management and the chief networking officer concept. What did you think of it, of them?
Well, it's actually it's one of those chiefs we need at the moment. I think we got a chief of operations, we got the CEO, we got the CFO, and now the chief network officer. I think he will be the one on the big meetings who's pulling things together. He will not be the chairman of a meeting, but he will be the one explaining how we're getting things done faster.
And then you as a recruiter, do you see this position as a very nice opportunity for recruiters to really voice this inside the organizations, inside the corporations, in terms of implementing this position in the very short term? How do you see this?
I think for a lot of things, the good recruiters I met in the past are already in kind of position like this. Streaming out the business lines, like with discussions they have with the hiring managers, like, do you really need this guy, or do you need two of these guys? One is doing this and the other one is doing that. Because I think with my knowledge and the people I speak with in my environment, like the amount of candidates I speak with, there's no such guy you're looking for, but there's a lot of guys who do the same thing together. They achieve goals by doing things together. Like if you need new business, you really would like to have this new business developer, but then you get this new business and someone has to do the relationship part as well, and most of the time the hunter cannot do this farming stuff. And you as a hiring manager, I already asked you before, do you really want this one doing this thing on his own, or shouldn't it be better to have two persons, one hunting and one farming, for example?
Mm-hmm. So you drove all the way from Holland to be here today with us for this session about online social networks. Why did you take all this effort, or why do you think this would be valuable to your career and to your business?
Well, as an interim recruitment specialist, I'm telling a lot of people how to use the internet a better way. A lot of people are still thinking I used to put my job app in a newspaper, and now I don't put it in a newspaper, I put it on a job board, and now I'm an online recruiter. Oh, by the way, I'm searching databases as well. Oh, there's a new thing I think it's called LinkedIn, which I can use as a really huge database for my positions. I'm trying to tell people, as a recruitment specialist, that's not the way to do it, and to be there online is not only be there in job boards and databases, but it's about interaction, it's about networking, it's about building relationships. I'm already this far, but I would really like to speak to you, especially also about this CNO thing, and I'd really like to know from other gurus in this world how they think people should interact on the internet.
Given the status, the stage of social networks in Europe, do you think that would be a good demand for such kind of training and coaching in organizations?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Sometimes I really think like, oh, come on recruiters, wake up, do something new, because thinking in print, like in making ads and put them everywhere, that's so like last year. So I really do think a lot of people need it.
Okay. So, thanks a lot for your kindness, for coming, for the training, and also for the interview you're providing us. Of course, you know, we'll be posting this on YouTube and other video platforms, as well as in our blog. We'll send it to you. And also, later on, I'd like to know your feedback about the session itself. Okay?
Okay, great.
Thank you.
Well, let's go on.